Hi, Vanshaj.
Hello, sir.
Congratulations on getting a very good offer at BNY Mellon. I mean, I think it is a great achievement for you, and your family must be very proud. We at Techdose are also very proud on this achievement. Can you express how this offer feels for you, and what is the package?
Yeah. First of all, thank you so much, for the wishes. My family feeling good. So the result came on the WhatsApp group, and I told to my family members. First of all, my sister, she will be very happy. Yeah, got something after 4th year, after 4 year. And about package is around 26 lakh 80,000. It's overall CTC, and the base is about 17 lakh. And apart from this base, there are some joining bonus, reallocation bonus, and PF gratuity.
I think
Yeah.
it's a very good starting package, being 17 lakhs being the base. I think it also beats Microsoft and other top companies in, in
Yeah,
the base part.
yeah.
So yeah, I think it's a very good base and a very good start for you as well. Now,
Thank you, thank you.
one thing which our viewers would like to know is how did our DSA live training program actually helped you prepare for your interview?
First, I came to know what is Techdose. I learning graph in I guess two semester. When I went to do semester learning graph, so I came across your channel Techdose. There are many more videos of graph questions of lead code. So when I'm watching this, I'm like, yeah, this is the way to explain the problem from what is the problem, how to way how there are many processes to solve the problems. So first of all, you explain different processes and then the optimal solution. So this is point where I came to know about TechDose. So in April, I joined that course of 2 months, I guess, May or June. So yeah, so I learned something from before YouTube, from your channel also, some questions on DP graphs and trees, but not very confident, not able to solve hard or medium questions on lead code. So I joined the batch. So there are many advantages which helps me to gain in problem solving skill. First of all, it's live class. So in live class, what happened? So if you having a doubt in some topic, so you can directly ask what is this? What is why this is process so optimal? And this. So this helps me in many ways. So live class, live class is a main point that helps me in the course. Second point, it's assignments. So assignment is it's have different level of problems, easy, medium, hard. So
Yeah.
it's first you solve easy, then medium, then hard. So there are 20 problems of easy, 10 medium, 5 hard. So if you solve all the problems of your own, so you are confident enough in that topic. So that assignments helps me in a great manner. The doubt solving session, consider you teach this topic, you teach this tree in 2 weeks. Okay. Now you gave assignment about the trees. Now obviously we have some problems or doubt in that particular topic or problems. So that particular doubt session of 3 or 4 hours helps me in building a problem solving skills further. And interaction between the peer groups, many students are from the different colleges, right? Some from different NITs, IITs. So that peer group interaction among the students gives me that's problem solving in that way, in third way, in fourth way. So yeah, that's the how the course helps.
Great,
Yeah.
great. So it was really great that you found this course so helpful, and we could actually practically help you improve your skills, and it will always stay with you forever, even in your switch. And you have to just learn it once, and after that, it will
Yeah.
always stay with you. You just have to keep revising on things whenever
Yeah,
you.
we just have to develop that problem solving skill.
It will be very helpful if you can also share your preparation strategy of how did you actually approach, from what level you had started, how you improved your problem solving ability, and what were the different things you were doing, and what were the different things which were going in your mind. Because I know that when students are learning at I mean, when they have just started at a basic level, they do get confused from a lot of resources. How did you manage that, and how did you just follow one mentor? What did you do? Like, what was your approach, if you can just elaborate?
I learned some programming language C++ from different sources, from articles, from blogs, and from YouTube. And solve some question on the hacker rank. That's gave me confidence about the C++. So after C++ is done, at 12th semester, there's a course DSA in our college. So I focus on that DSA and learn some concept from that. On that point, I came to know that only learning the topics is not help to me to pass the interviews. So I have to solve the problems definitely. Now we have different sites like LeetCode, GFG, binary search. Many sites are there to solve the problems. So what I do, some problems on GFG, some problems on LeetCode. But after some time, I came to know that that's not gonna helpful. I have to stick to one website. So I start solving a question on LeetCode. For like first, I solved like some like consider topic three. So I solved 30 easy problems. Now comfortable with easy. Now 15 medium. Now comfortable with medium. Then hard problems. So I maintained that consistency in LeetCode and solved around 800 problems in LeetCode. And after like completed like completed the 800 questions. So now I came to that like we have to clear the OTs also for passing the interview, right? So for that, I started to give contest of lead code, like weekly contest. So I give around 20-25 contests. Like that helps me to pass the like OT, different companies OT.
Can you also share some success mantra? What you would like to advise to anyone who is an aspiring candidate to clear a big company to get a great offer at college?
As we know, DS is most important in passing the any interview. There are some topics which are also important, but DS is the 90%, 80% thing which are appears in the interviews. So I want to tell like first learn some topics. Like if there are T, there is a graph, learn some algorithm from that. Like in particular graph, learn BFS, learn DFS, then Kosa Raju has different algorithms. Now when you learn these things, after that you try to solve the problem on different on one platform, not different platform. Like if you are using GFG, then GFG is fine. If you're using LeetCode, then LeetCode is fine. But use only one. So I solved first 30 problems on LeetCode on easy problems. Now when you're comfortable with easy, solve that medium question, then hard question. Now your T topic is completed. Now like there is some time when you are not solving a problem in a one go, right? So mark that problem as a favorite or important when whatever, and repeat that problem in 15 days. After 15 days, so what it helps? It helps to remind that topic what algorithm is used in that particular problem. So how this is help you in like developing a problem solving skill. The second is thing, maintain the consistency, because like what happened, like what I did in the starting days, like I solved some topic and rest for 15 days, then solve topic rest for 15 days. But this is not gonna like this. You have to solve 3-4 problems every day, but every day till keep it at your interview. So this helps maintain consistency and problem solving skill.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So it is also important that you don't forget the algorithms. You don't. I mean, you always keep hands on the things you have learned,
yeah,
so
yeah.
that it doesn't take too much of time when the actual revision time comes, right?
Yeah, so keep revising them while solving a problem. Yeah.
Can you please share your interview experience? How did it go for BNY Mellon, and what type of problems were asked, and how did you tackle them?
There are 4 rounds: one online test, two technical round interviews, and one HR interview. In online test, there are 4 questions: one of easy level, two of medium level, and one is hard level. Many students have different questions. Like I got 4 different questions. My friend had 4 different questions. They have different sets. I solved easy question completely, one medium question completely, one hard question completely, and the second medium question partial. So whoever solved 3 questions and fourth partial got selected in the for technical round interviews. Now I appeared in first technical interviews. First round is about 45 minutes. In early 20-25 minutes, they are on resume. Like in my resume, JavaScript is there, React is there, and like Node.js, MongoDB. So they grilled me about different technologies like JavaScript concepts, async, await concepts, and what is MongoDB, what is why React.js is used, and on my projects.
Okay.
Now, next 20-30 minutes, there are two DSA questions. They asked me to write the code in JavaScript for that
Okay.
particular question because was there in my resume. So JavaScript question, like question of DSA, but they asked me to code in JavaScript.
So if you don't mention that in the resume, then they will ask you in any language.
No. Then they will ask you their preferred language actually. So one question on merge sort and the second question on the Pearson. So I coded both question coded in the JavaScript, and fortunately they both compile successfully in all the test cases. So yeah, the first round is concluded, and around I guess 10 to 11 people out of 20 selected for the second round. In second round, the second round is a bit typical for me because there are 6 questions and some theories about OOPS, DVMS, yeah, and C++ concepts. So like First 15 minutes about C++ concept, OOPS concept, DVMS concept, different like what is polymorphism, what is encapsulations, and DVMS what are asset properties, like, and C++ what is pointer and all. So first 15 minutes like that, and after the 30 minute, he gave me 6 questions on HackerRank, two SQL questions, three DSA question, one CSS question. She asked me like solve all the questions. So I solved two SQL questions in that interview and two DSA questions, three DSA questions, and left out that CSS questions. So like I'm thinking after second round, like I am done. I am not carry forward in the HR round because I left one questions.
Okay.
Then I realized, yeah, that interview is hard. They just checking in my like ability, how much I can be solved. So yeah,
Okay.
after 5 minutes, the HR call came. So HR round is going about 20 to 25 minutes. It's like simple behavioral questions, like what is your future plans, like what do you know about BNY Mellon. The question or project, like my question is not the real life project. So he asked me like, how do you tackle some real life problems and all.
Thank you for sharing the experience. If you can also share about what all topics you found were important on the DSA part for BNY Mellon.
For BNY Mellon, I found like array is most important. And the second is write only things in that resume not fake about it. Because
Yeah.
if JavaScript is there in resume, they will grill about it. If React is there, they will grill about it. So you
Yeah.
know each and every things that are on his resume. One question is on tree on my second interview, and one question on DFS. So like different parts came. One question on tree, one question DFS, and first interview array questions.
Yeah.
So like apart from BNB, I also give like Oracle and different what is interviews. So like most important topics, I came to know that tree is most important. Tree is there, linked list is there, array is there. Graph, DPL are advanced version. They will be obviously asked, but not in each and every interview. But tree, array, and like all things are linked lists are there in every
Yeah.
interview.
Thank you for sharing your interview experience and wish you all the best for your future. Thank you.
Thank you, Surya. Thank you.